Okay, so when you actually go to plant your shrub, the first thing you want to do is obviously dig your hole. So the biggest thing you want to keep in mind is that the hole has to be big enough and deep enough to fit the root ball of the plant. So when you actually go to plant the shrub, what you want to do is you want to take the pot, kind of lay it on its side a little bit and give it a good kind of push to release kind of the air pockets in it, so then the root ball will slide right out. So with this shrub, as you can see, it's very, very root bound. So the first thing you want to do is take your hands and just kind of tease the root ball a little bit and kind of break out the circulating roots. If you don't, the roots could continue to circulate and it can actually cut off the plant and kind of choke it in a sense. So after you've kind of massaged the root ball a little bit, gotten it a little bit broken up, the next thing we do here at the nursery for planting shrubs is we use something called Myke. So what Myke is it's actually a fungus that's found naturally in soils, and what it does is it attaches itself to the roots of the plant and it helps it develop faster and quicker so that your shrub overall is a much healthier shrub in its new home. So what you want to do is you want to take a nice good handful of it and you really want to rub it in all the way around the root ball. It has to touch the roots to be effective. That's very important. Kind of rub it in, and then put your little buddy in its hole. And then once it's centered in its hole, you have to make sure that it's level. This root ball here has to be pretty much flush with your final grade, maybe a little bit above. And as you can see, I'm just a little bit below. So I'll just add a little bit more soil right onto the bottom of the hole there. And then I'm right where I need to be. So afterwards, just make sure, kind of have a look around, make sure it's level, and then backfill the rest of the way. So then once you're finished backfilling with your hole, all of your new plantings, you want to water in really, really well to make sure the soil has been settled. Our perennial and shrub bed is now completed.